This is the Cybertruck, and it's got some pretty weird features, like the world's largest windshield wiper, or the fact that it has buttons instead of door handles. But what are the most useful features? One of my favorites is the touchscreen prank tool that lets you move the passenger seat from the back.
Bro, stop.
Or maybe the built-in Fortnite outlets that keep the game going when mom kicks you out of the house.
Someone revive me.
And it's even got a garage door to protect your precious gamer station. But quite possibly the coolest feature is the interior soundproofing.
What's going on?
You can barely hear my cameraman screaming for help. Useful.